what Claude is and isn't for building products. Year 2 Ship Claude Basics. Lesson 1. What if I told you that the platform you're learning on right now, this entire website, the course system, the blog, everything was built without a team of developers. Instead, it was built through conversations with an AI assistant called Claude. And by the end of this course, you'll know exactly how to do the same thing for your own ideas. So what exactly is Claude? Simply put, Claude is an AI assistant created by a company called Anthropic. You can think of it as a conversational partner that understands what you want to build and can help you build it. Even if you've never written a line of code, it's designed to be helpful, harmless, and honest. And it's available through a simple web interface at claude.ai. Here's the key thing. Claude works through conversation, not commands. You don't need to learn complex syntax or memorize special instructions. You just talk to it naturally, describe what you want, and it helps you build it. If something isn't right, you tell it what to change, just like you would with a human collaborator. Claude has 3 superpowers that make it perfect for building products as a non-programmer. Superpower number 1, generate code. Claude creates complete working code from your descriptions. You can tell Claude, I want a landing page with a hero section and a sign-up form, and it will generate all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript needed. You don't even need to know what those terms mean. Superpower number 2, explain concepts. Claude breaks down technical ideas in plain English. If Claude generates something and you don't understand it, you can ask, what does this part do? And it will explain it in simple terms. It answers why questions, not just how. This means you'll naturally learn as you build. Superpower number 3, iterate on ideas. Claude takes your feedback and refines the code. It never gets frustrated with changes. When I built Year 2 Ship, my first attempt at the course page wasn't quite right. I told Claude, can we add learning objectives and multiple videos per lesson? And it updated everything. No starting from scratch. So to summarize, Claude's 3 superpowers are generating code from descriptions, explaining concepts in plain English, and iterating on ideas through feedback. These 3 capabilities are what make Claude such a powerful building partner, even if you have 0 coding experience. Now let's talk about what Claude can't do, because understanding the limits is just as important as knowing the strengths. Claude can generate code, but it can't run that code on your computer. It also can't deploy your apps automatically to the internet. And it doesn't browse the web or pull live data by default. Think of it like this. Claude is like a chef giving you a recipe. It can write the code, which is the recipe, but you still need to cook it in your own kitchen. You'll need a few basic tools to run the code, and we'll cover all of those in the next video. The good news, these tools are free and easy to set up. Here's the most important thing I want you to understand. Claude is not a magic button that builds your app in one click. It's a collaborator. And like any good collaboration, it works best when you bring clarity, direction, and feedback. Think of Claude as a smart intern who can code. You provide the vision and direction. Claude executes the technical work. Here's how the collaboration works. You describe what you want. Claude builds it. You review the result. You give feedback on what to change, and Claude improves it. Then you repeat this loop until it's exactly what you want. This is the same process professional developers use. The only difference is Claude handles the coding part. Here's another way to think about it. Imagine you're a director and Claude is your film crew. You don't need to know how to operate the camera, but you do need to know what scene you want to shoot. Claude handles the technical execution. You handle the creative direction. You need to know what you want and who it's for. That's your job. Claude's job is figuring out how to build it. Let me bring this full circle with the platform you're using right now. When I started building Zero to Ship, I had zero code. I opened Claude and typed. I want to build a learning portal that helps non-programmers learn to use AI coding tools. It needs a landing page, courses with video lessons, and a blog. Through conversation, the requirements became clearer, and after several rounds of iteration, the platform emerged. The platform you're learning on was built the exact way I'm teaching you to build. That's not a metaphor. It's literally the proof. You're looking at it right now. So to recap, number one, Claude is a conversational AI assistant, not a complex tool. Number two, think of it as a smart intern who codes. You direct, it executes. Number three, you don't need to understand code. You just need to know what you want to build. And number four, iteration is completely normal. Your first prompt won't be perfect, and that's totally okay. In the next video, we'll get you set up with everything you need, your Claude account, your workspace, and the safety basics for working with AI-generated code. By the end of video 2, you'll be ready to write your first prompt. See you there.